So will Artemis II conduct a skip entry like Artemis I, or more like an Apollo-era lifting entry? Now this is really due to the lessons learned in the Artemis I mission, where there was some unexpected liberation of chunks of the heat shield due to pressure buildup during the extended skip phase. But first, it's important to understand what the aerodynamic forces are on a capsule as it enters the atmosphere, and then to look at a visual of the difference between the two different trajectories. Let's have a look at both of these trajectories along with the traditional ballistic entry. Now, the ballistic entry has no lift, and this means that you have very high heating rates and stress on the structure. Now, in contrast, the Apollo-era lifting entry did have an element of lift that allowed it to, but it still stayed in the upper atmosphere, but it allowed it to extend both its time of flight and its distance. Now, the pure skip entry goes outside of the atmosphere, greatly extending its time of flight and its distance. Now, this has two major benefits. One, you can control where the re-entry is, but more importantly, reduces the peak heating and peak structural stress on both the spacecraft and astronaut. So finally, what will be the re-entry of Artemis II? We'll just have to wait and see.